Check out this pre-owned 2012 BMW 135i. This two-door coupe has a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter i6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This BMW is a great value with less than 45,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city, and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include Sport Package, satellite radio, anti-theft alarm system, heated front seats, Bluetooth, navigation system, automatic climate control, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, moonroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows.